Alright, Jacob Terrell here. I don't know if you can hear this, but whoa, there we go. I guess that maybe confirms it. Unless that was a firework or something, I think we got a thunderstorm moving in. I've been watching the radar for a while, and the wind's starting to pick up a little bit. This is kind of bored. I'm kind of been bored. So, you know, I was hoping we were going to get some severe weather today, but it didn't turn out that way. And so, just kind of bored. I'm going to shoot this video, see if we got anything coming. I don't know. Yeah, that's definitely thunder. I don't know if we can hear it or not. I think you can. This is a new camera. Winds are pretty calm right now. Not picking anything up on the anemometer. Ooh, there was a good one. Did I get it? I hope so. This is why I really love nighttime storms. I mean, I know they can be very dangerous, but I love the lightning that comes with them. Nothing from the weather service right now. No watches or warnings. I'm sure the National Weather Service office in Indianapolis is monitoring this. Got some nice stuff. I enjoy the thunder. I do. Kind of waiting for this thing to push on through. Like I said, nothing from the wet. Oh man! Hope I got that. Maybe I just ought to hold the camera up here. Like I said, nothing from the National Weather Service right now. No watches or warnings. I don't even think there's a special weather statement or a strong thunderstorm advisory out. But looks like you could get some heavy rain, some thunder, and some lightning, obviously. You can see some really nice lightning out tonight. This kind of makes me excited, even though it's not severe. I haven't had a thunderstorm in a long time. I hear the wind picking up now. New Year's Eve. Oh man. Seems like every time I put the camera down, lightning flashes. Uh, 3:14. It's gonna take a while to upload this on YouTube. Yeah, I might get some heavy rain out of this. I've been, as you know me, I've been watching radar all night, pretty much, during the New Year's Eve party. No signs, definitely no indications of any rotation. I doubt, seriously, that anything's really going to happen tonight, but I'm starting to feel some drops now of rain. Alright, I believe it's about here. Continue to keep you updated.